Hello again, and welcome to the new series, Hustlers and Heists. This is a new series about, well, just pissing around in GTA. But never mind that. Okay, first challenge today, we're going to make a never-ending explosion. So, that should be good. My plan right now is just to go to the motorway and see what I can do there. Oh god, text message. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. Using a few grenades and a few clips of ammo, hopefully, because that's what's all. Oh, I've crashed. It didn't explode. Oh, God. Anyway, yes, there'll be. I don't know how many more episodes, but lots of challenges, fun stuff, explosions, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So. Yeah, you've got all of that to look forward to. So, crashed again. Anyway, I'm saying anyway. Yeah, so we should have a compactness on the motorway so that the flames and stuff will just spread everywhere. That's what I'm thinking, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna make a barrier here to stop any cars, so everybody just gets even more compact. I think that would be the best way to do this. So let's find out. Yep, pop this there. Stop making the barricade. And get in the Dorito van. Burrito van. Get in it now. Wait, check him out. Alright, come on then. Another crucial part of the barricade. I don't know if this is gonna work or anything. Probably not the first time anyway. He's running away. Get out of your car, lady. And requisition it because I can. Yeah, that's the reason. Oh god, always a squeeze. Come on, yeah, that's good enough. And get on top of it. Try and shoot at everybody, so everybody closes up to each other. Come on, faster. Yep, go on then. Oh no, they've broken through the barricade. Great, that didn't work. Oh, just kill him. Kill other people. That's how you do it. Oh god, I've got one. Probably use. Yep, there we go. One to level down, one to level down. And throw a grenade. Go. Do this. Oh, okay, run back. Oh, I've got one again. Oh my god, explosions. Everything is dying. Oh, I've been shot. Well, that was a complete failure on my part. Oh god, great. Knew this wouldn't work. Well, let's try again, and try again we shall. And hopefully it'll work this time. Come on. Yep, putting on invincibility as well this time because, well, I died last time, so this will probably be easier. I want the burrito back. I keep saying burrito. So annoying. And that lady just ran me over. She is going to be sufficiently destroyed. She's running away from me. Come on then, faster. Let's go. I've got a wanted level again. Oh my god, so annoying. This guy's quite slow. Well then, yeah, this is the place. Yeah. Oh god, I can. It's always that guy. It's always that guy in the burrito van. Man, he's annoying. So, another car. Let's just line them up in another barricade. Because I'm sure it'll work this time. Yep. Don't learn from my mistakes. Except now I have the power of invincibility. So it should be better.
It's just a car, babe.
Okay, come on, let's go. Out the car, lady. And I've got another text. Brilliant. Can't you see I'm trying to do something here? Get them
Hey, let me pour that rock.
out. There we go. Oh my god, some guy is rebelling. You can't do that. Oh. Ah, he hit me. That's right, I have a gun.
Stay off drugs.
And you have nothing.
Man, I'm sorry, fool.
Okay, barricade finished. It looks a bit wonky. Never mind. Let's do the same thing again. People will shoot in the air. Oh, they've broken through again. Ah! Just throw the grenade. Just throw it. Just do it now. Oh! Oh my god. Did you see that? The truck just split. Oh my god, and there's tons of explosions everywhere and people on fire. I just would be jealous. Still not what I wanted, to be honest, but throw another good one. Oh my god, that truck is now flying. It's got it. I have to keep putting the wanted level down. It's so annoying. I don't want to be shot like this, although I do have invincibility, but they're distracted. All we need to know is that everything is blown. Oh my god! Flying trucks everywhere, and the taxi crashed into a wall. And the firefighters are now here. Again. Oh, and everybody hates me.
See you.
Everyone now hates me. And then car's on fire again. This is pretty funny. Yeah, go away again. Yeah, the ambulance. Watch the destruction! More cars blowing up! And people burning. Oh, this is, yeah, this is what I wanted. Yeah, oh, I've been run over. Yeah, come on, get out. Get out. Come on. Do it. Do it. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's a flying door. And another truck has exploded. Oh god, I just got head-butted by a car. Great. Some guy is trying to put out the flames desperately. Yeah. It's not gonna work. I just keep collecting minis and all this stuff. Is that a word? Probably. I've been knocked over again. Probably by a flying truck. Oh, I've got to activate invincibility again. There we go. Yep. More destruction burning. And another truck is on fire. Explode the truck. There it is. Oh my god, this is just mayhem. This car's flying everywhere. Oh my god. Scared guy running away. Oh, this is funny. This is so funny. Another burning car. fire has spread onto the grass now. Wow, okay. And another car is on fire. Woohoo! Oh my god, everything is going. And more flying trucks. That is okay. Wedge! And more explosions! Yes, this will carry on forever, and I'm never going to stop laughing. Oh my god, no, not killed. Just badly injured. I'm probably never able to walk again. Interesting. Oh, why do I keep standing in hard? Oh my god, that man just got run over. Oh. How did I do this with 2 grenades? I'll never know. It's just a chain of explosions that will never cease. Wow. You can't just help but watch the explosions and the terror. I might have a problem. Oh my god, burning people. Hear their screams. Oh my god, oh, I've been hit by a car again for the 1000th time. Thanks. And more fire. Oh, yeah. I never knew it would go so far. Oh my god. More burning people. And a casino in the background. Typical LA stuff. More cars burning. I knocked over again. Dollars. In America. Not Britain. Wow, this is everything is exploding. Wouldn't this just be hilarious if we were really there? I wonder how many ambulances and fire trucks have been caught in the explosions. Probably about 10 now. It's quite a lot. People are annoying on the highway. Although they may be peeing themselves with terror, but still, I'll still shoot them. They'll do themselves. Oh my god. They have been buried. Why does every car want to hit me? Yeah, more explosions as hilarious. Come on. Explosions everywhere. Yeah, see, they always want to hit me. It's so unfair.
Open your damn eyes.
Guys, this is problem. Apart from being an excruciating thing. Oh, I've been crushed between 2 cars. Brilliant. Is it actually still going? That is impressive. I have to say, that is really impressive. Oh my god, my goodness. This is really funny. People are burning. Oh. Well, I forgot to put the invincibility cheat on there. So, well, I think it would have still blown everything up and probably destroyed the whole island. So, You know, it's a win-win situation. Anyway, goodbye and thanks for watching.